The way we measure and track Google reviews and the importance of an ROI is by numbers. We're a large franchise. We're one of the largest in Maryland. So we do not want to be the franchise that has a couple dozen reviews. You need hundreds in this market because it's a heavily populated market. It adds credibility to it. You want that number as close to 5 as possible. The reality is that a 4.7, 4.8, that puts you right where you want to be. When those people look for those reviews and know that you want to come up and be on the top in SEOs. Consistency of reviews is super important. You want to see things that are not stale. You want to see that the way we're doing business right now, we're making happy customers. It's one of the focal points of our business. So if you look at a review and you haven't gotten a review for 6 months, they're going to probably wonder why. Whether it's no bad or no good review, the importance of fresh and a continual flow of reviews is vital. Even as a consumer, I look for current and up-to-date reviews. Customers have actually let us know that the reason that they chose us for service is because of our Google reviews. In addition to that, I've actually had an employee that chose to come work for Team SERVPRO based off our Google reviews. They wanted to do their due diligence in the company they were selecting. I can tell them what we're out to do. They actually check to see what our customers say about us.